Welcome to the unboxing of the new Tabor Lucid Benchtop signal generator. I've just removed the cardboard packaging, so I'm going to remove the rest of the packaging now to reveal our new signal generator. Take that off there, remove this from there, and here we have. So let's do some physical measurements first. So when I measure this across here, it's about 12.5 inches, so that's a 2/3 rack width. There's rack ears you can buy as accessories, so it'll fit in a regular rack unit, and its height is 4 inches with feet and 3.5 without feet. So that's a 2U 2/3 rack mount instrument. On the front panel, we've got a keypad screen, RPG, one channel. This is a one channel option. There's provision for 2 channels or 4 channels here as well. And if I turn it around and we look at the back panel on this instrument, you can see that we've got LAN and USB connectors for control, trigger inputs, channel 1, 2, 3, and 4, modulation in inputs, channels 1, 2, 3, and 4, and an SD card reader here if we want to save any measurement states. Turning it back on itself and grabbing the power cord, plugging the instrument in. Let's turn this guy on. So there it is, switched on. While it boots up, some basics about the specs. It goes from 9 kilohertz up to 12 gigahertz. It has 100 microseconds of switching. Output power, minus 15 dBm as standard, 23 dBm as an option. Minimum power, minus 80 standard, minus 130 dBm as an option. 1 gigahertz phase noise at 10 kilohertz, 138 dBc. Harmonics, subharmonics, minus 50 dBc to minus 55 dBc, and other spares minus 60 dBcs to minus 90, depending on where you're tuning. So let's look at some of these front panel controls. So it immediately boots up into the CW screen. We can adjust the frequency, we can adjust the amplitude, there's a phase offset. This is a touch screen, by the way. We can go along the top here, modulation, FM, AM, or phase modulation, or within its capabilities. Plus it has a pulse modulator as well, so we can switch the amplitude on and off with good isolation. In terms of operational modes, there's CW as we looked at already. There's a sweep mode, so we can sweep frequencies, and there's a list mode, so we can rapidly transition between different frequencies on the list. Finally, there's a system mode here where we can set the LAN or the USB for remote control. All in all, a nice package. It's small, it's compact, it's multi-channel. And in the next video, I'm going to show some of the, we're going to take it through some of the performance metrics using the spectrum analyzer and see how this thing performs.